Hey good people, welcome back to my channel, Nails by Ra here. I just got right into it. I'm already prepped my nails and dehydrated them, so I'm just going in with my products. I am using Elite Design Dipping System by Premium Nails. I am using their smile tray for a perfect smile line for my French tip. My nails are long, so you will see me playing around with the way that I get my finger into the dip tray. That dip tray is certainly meant for people with shorter nails. My nails are super long, so you'll see me doing a mixture of letting my finger lay where the indenture is in the tray and doing a little bit of a mixture of laying it and just dragging my finger across the powder. But it worked, and if you have any questions, please comment. All of the products I'm using here are Premium Nails Elite Design Dipping System. I am using the sheer pink, I'm using French white, and I'm also using clear to protect my pink and white. Enjoy! Once I have gone a second round over my pink and white, I will go through and cover it with the clear just to protect the two. So once I start drilling and buffing, I'm not smudging any of my white into my pink or destroying the layers of pink and white that I have. So you'll see me just going through all 10 fingers and dipping them in my clear just to protect it. I'm still working out how long I should let my activator dry before I go in, but you'll see me go in already and swipe all 10 fingers with the activator, step 2. And then I'm going to buff and reshape everything. I was going for a coffin nail, but since my nails are so long, we're going to do a tapered square / coffin or whatever shape it feels like being. So that's what I'm doing off camera. I know I kind of went off frame, but you can see my reflection in the caps, but that's what I'm doing. I'm reshaping my nails and making sure I like what I have. And also talking some confidence back into myself. The activator itself, you're supposed to wait 2 minutes in between each coat, but tonight I was so tired, I just waited 2 minutes, the complete 2 minutes at the end, and finally did my final step, which was my 3, which is the finishing gel. Once I have finished with buffing and shaping my nails, I do reapply step 2. That was something I failed to mention before. I reapply my step 2 only because you buff most of it off. It is a drying activator, but rule of thumb, I just reapply it so that my finishing gel can dry. So at this point, this would be where you wait those 2 to 3 minutes before putting on the finishing gel. So again, I am still working out the consistency between the wait time and dry time between the 2 and the 3, steps 2 and steps 3. But I find myself giving myself at least 30 seconds before I go and do the second coat for the finishing gel. I watch it dry on my nail and I give it maybe a minute or so before going back in. Because I noticed that when I rush and do my thumb right after I finished my pinky on the other nail, I get a chunk, like a chemical reaction on my thumb. Sometimes it heats up and sometimes it gathers at the cuticle, and I don't like that. So I found myself waiting before going in and doing the second and final coat. And after you've done this, you are finished. Voila! Make sure you subscribe. Until next time.